Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Harry.
And I'm Emma. Hi, Harry. It's fantastic to be recording with you again.
The pleasure is all mine, Emma, and a big hello to all our dedicated learners tuning in today. Thank you.
Today, we have a really fundamental and practical subject for all of you who are just starting out with English.
You got it, Emma. We're going to walk through our daily life, all those simple, essential actions we perform every single day.
It's truly a brilliant way to immediately learn some core verbs and basic vocabulary.
Exactly. Before we jump in, if you enjoy learning English with us, please take a moment to subscribe.
Also, please share this episode with any friends who are also learning English. And remember to hit the like button. It truly helps our channel grow.
It certainly does. We also love hearing from you, so feel free to drop a comment below about your own routine or any challenges you're facing.
Okay, Harry, shall we dive into the things we do from the moment we open our eyes?
Let's do it, Emma. We'll start with the morning. What's your very first action of the day?
The absolute first thing is, of course, to wake up. I typically wake up around 6:45 a.m.
That's quite early. I usually wake up closer to 7:15 a.m.
So you're a little more relaxed than me. After I wake up, the next natural step is to get out of bed.
Me too. Get out of bed is a phrase you'll use constantly.
Absolutely. Following that, I always head to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and then wash my face.
Brush my teeth and wash my face. Those are two quick, fundamental phrases for your routine.
That's right. Next, I head to the kitchen.
Ah, the kitchen. What are you preparing there?
I generally make breakfast.
Make breakfast. What's your typical breakfast, Emma?
I usually have yogurt and granola. Sometimes I also drink a glass of orange juice.
Yogurt and granola. Sounds healthy. I usually have 2 slices of toast and black coffee.
Simple and effective. After breakfast, I get dressed.
Get dressed, meaning you put on the clothing you'll wear for the day.
Precisely. I select my clothes and put them on. And what's next for you, Harry, after you get dressed?
Well, if I'm heading out, I need to put on my shoes, and depending on the weather, I might put on a jacket.
Put on my shoes and put on a jacket. Got it. And then
Then I generally leave the house.
leave the house. Where are you usually going when you head out in the morning?
I usually go to the university where I teach. I'm a professor.
Go to the university. I often work from my home office, but occasionally I also need to go into the city center.
That's a good summary. So, Emma, can you quickly outline your full morning routine for our listeners?
Sure. I wake up around 6:45. Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I go to the kitchen to make and have breakfast. Then I get dressed. If I'm going out, I put on my shoes and then I leave the house to go to work.
That was a fantastic recap, Emma. We covered so many core verbs there. Wake up, get out of bed, brush teeth, wash face, make breakfast, get dressed, put on shoes, leave the house, go to work.
They're all so vital for beginners. Now, let's talk about the rest of the day. Harry, what are your tasks at the university?
At work, I usually stand at the whiteboard and teach a class. I also read student papers and prepare lessons for the next day.
Teach a class, read papers, prepare lessons. All things people do at their jobs.
They are. Sometimes I also attend department meetings with my colleagues.
Attend meetings. That means getting together to discuss work. What about you, Emra? What's a typical work day like when you work from home?
When I work from home, I sit at my desk and use my laptop. I might draft proposals or schedule client calls.
Sit at my desk, use my laptop, draft proposals. Excellent vocabulary.
And then, usually around 1 p.m., I have lunch.
Have lunch. What do you normally eat for lunch, Harry?
I often have a bowl of soup and some crackers. I like something light that doesn't make me sleepy.
A bowl of soup. Very sensible. I usually buy a sandwich from the campus cafeteria or eat leftovers from the night before.
Buy a sandwich or eat leftovers. Good phrases. After lunch, we both go back to work.
Yes, back to work until the afternoon ends. What do you do once your workday is finished, Harry?
After work, I always go home.
Go home. A wonderful feeling. What's your first action when you arrive home?
I sometimes like to sit outside on the balcony and listen to a podcast.
Sit on the balcony, listen to a podcast. That sounds very peaceful.
It is. I also often prepare dinner.
Prepare dinner. What are you cooking tonight?
I might cook chicken with vegetables or just order takeout if I'm tired.
Cook dinner or order takeout. I love to cook too. Sometimes I follow new recipes I find online.
That's fun. After dinner, what's your next step, Emma?
After dinner, I almost always do the washing up.
Do the washing up. Not the most exciting task, but essential.
Me neither. I might then watch a movie or call my sister on the phone.
Watch a movie, call family, great evening activities. What about you, Harry? What do you do in the evening? In the evening, I sometimes go to the gym to exercise.
Go to the gym. That's great for your health.
It is. Or I might read a novel.
Read a novel. What type of books do you enjoy?
I like mysteries, but in the evening, I prefer something simple and engaging.
Sounds perfect. Then, right before you go to sleep, what's the last thing you do?
I always brush my teeth one last time.
Brush my teeth. A good habit, Harry.
And then I go to bed.
Go to bed. What time is your bedtime, Harry?
I aim to go to bed around 10:45 p.m.
A decent time. I tend to go to bed a little later, around 11:15 p.m.
So, to quickly review our day, we discussed waking up, getting ready, working, having lunch, finishing up, relaxing, having dinner, and going to bed.
Yes, Harry, we went through a ton of useful everyday actions. Let's quickly shout out the most important verbs. Wake up, get out of bed, brush teeth, wash face, make breakfast, get dressed, put on shoes, leave the house, go to work, sit at my desk, prepare lessons, have lunch, go home, relax, cook dinner, do the washing up, read a book, go to the gym, go to bed.
That's an excellent list, Emma. These are all activities that everyone does regularly, so learning these phrases is incredibly helpful for all beginners.
Absolutely. And remember, you can immediately use these phrases to talk about your own day. Try to think about what you do from the morning until the evening and say it out loud in English.
That's fantastic practice. You could even write down your routine. Writing things down helps cement the words and phrases in your memory.
That's a brilliant suggestion, Harry. And please don't worry if you forget a word or two. Just keep trying and you'll improve more and more each day.
Precisely. Learning a new language is a journey. Be kind to yourself, be patient, and celebrate every bit of progress you make.
Such thoughtful advice, Harry. Well, I think we've covered the routine of an entire day. I hope our listeners found this session helpful.
I hope so too, Emma. It was fun discussing our daily habits.
It really was. And to our listeners, thank you so much for joining us today. We truly appreciate your support.
Yes, thank you. If you enjoyed this episode and found it useful, please remember to subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming lessons.
That's right. And please share this episode with anyone you know who is also learning English. It would mean a lot to us.
And remember to leave a comment below telling us about your day in English or suggest any other topics you'd like us to cover in the future. We read all your comments and truly value your feedback. So until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day.
Bye for now, everyone.
Goodbye.